Living in a home near a busy street or walkway has its advantages, but it can also bring challenges. Noise, dust, and constant activity outside can affect indoor comfort and privacy. For homeowners in Washington facing these conditions, choosing the right window style makes a meaningful difference. Casement windows offer a practical solution by combining strong ceiling, controlled ventilation, and everyday comfort, making them especially well suited for homes exposed to higher levels of outdoor activity. Why window choice matters near high traffic areas. Homes located near sidewalks, driveways, or busy roads experience more exposure to sound and air movement. Older or poorly performing windows often allow outside noise and drafts to enter easily. Washington homeowners in these areas often look for window solutions that help create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment without sacrificing natural light or usability. How casement windows create a tighter seal. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal. This tight seal is one of the biggest advantages of casement windows for Washington homes near busy streets. It helps block unwanted air movement and reduces the pathways through which noise can enter the home. Reducing outside noise for quieter interiors. Noise from passing vehicles, pedestrians, or nearby activity can disrupt daily routines. Casement windows help reduce this noise by forming a solid barrier when closed. Washington homeowners often notice that indoor spaces feel calmer after installing casement windows. While no window can eliminate sound entirely, the improved ceiling noticeably softens outside noise. Improving comfort near window areas. Drafts are common near windows that don't seal properly, especially in homes exposed to frequent air movement from passing traffic. Casement windows help reduce these drafts. In Washington homes facing walkways or streets, this improved ceiling makes areas near windows more comfortable and usable. Seating areas and workspaces near the window feel less affected by outdoor conditions. Controlled ventilation when you want it. While ceiling is important, ventilation still matters. Casement windows allow homeowners to control airflow precisely by adjusting how far the window opens. For Washington homeowners, this means enjoying fresh air during quieter times of day without fully exposing the interior to outside activity. The window can be opened just enough to allow airflow while maintaining comfort. Enhancing privacy without blocking light. Homes near walkways often require a balance between privacy and natural light. Casement windows support this balance by offering flexible placement and operation. Washington homeowners can enjoy daylight without needing to fully open the window or rely heavily on coverings. This helps maintain privacy while keeping interiors bright and welcoming. Reliable performance over time. Casement windows are designed with durable hardware that helps maintain their seal over time. With proper installation and basic maintenance, they continue to perform reliably. For Washington homes exposed to regular outdoor activity, this long-term reliability is important. Homeowners benefit from windows that continue to block drafts and noise year after year. Supporting everyday living near active areas. Living near busy streets doesn't mean indoor spaces have to feel chaotic. Casement windows help create a more controlled, comfortable environment inside the home. Washington homeowners appreciate how these windows support quiet relaxation, focused work, and restful sleep, even when outdoor activity continues nearby. A practical solution for challenging locations. Casement windows combine strong ceiling, flexible ventilation, and clean design. These qualities make them especially effective for homes facing busy streets or walkways. For homeowners in Washington, casement windows offer a smart, practical solution for improving comfort and reducing the impact of outside activity, helping indoor spaces feel calmer, quieter, and easier to enjoy every day.